how to bold your text in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you that unfortunately there's no way to bold your text in LinkedIn because LinkedIn does not have that feature. But if you want to put in a bold paragraph, then what you can do is you can go to Google Docs or Word, and then you can create a document, uh, and then uh, you can write anything that you want to, and then just select it all and then bold it up, and now save it, and then come back and then go to your LinkedIn and then tap on the post icon on the bottom, and then tap on the plus icon again, and then from here go to document, and then you can upload the document. So that's it. That's the only way to put in a bold text on your LinkedIn. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.